And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create the impossible square in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with a rectangle. I hold shift to have a perfect square, and then I align it properly. Make sure your smart guide is activated and you've got only snap to point. If you've got snap to pixel activated, just click on it to deactivate it. Now we need the line segment tool. Deselect your square. Go to the center, then top to the intersection. Then hold shift to have it snap, and then hold alt so that it is adjusted left and right at the same time. We want to have a stroke color. Let's make it black. 1 point should be enough. Now we copy this one. Hold alt when you drag a copy out of it, and then hold shift. And we'll place it right there, and then press Ctrl D. Another copy will pop out. We will copy the 3 lines, holding alt, dragging them downwards. You can adjust the X and Y position over here. The X position is obviously the same for these 6 lines. Drag a copy out of it once more, hold shift, rotate it 90 degrees, and then place it to this intersection. And now obviously the X position is the one that you should adjust for the next one. But for this example it's enough if we simply create this figure. Make sure all of these lines are selected, go to view, guides and make guides. And now we use the pen tool. Make sure you've got still a stroke color selected. And now your smart guides, they help you in finding the anchor points and intersections. Just recreate what you see in this video. We need 4 of these shapes in total. It's the first one. Just pause the video, draw it yourself. When you run into a problem with your anchor points, select the shape, then activate the direct selection tool, click on your anchor point, and you can adjust this one to the intersections just like this. Alright, let's start with the next. Once more we need the pen tool. We'll start down here at the intersection. We go upwards to the right, and now we go backwards, and we close the path. This is the second shape. Deselect it. I simply hold Ctrl and click somewhere, then it's deselected, and I start with the third shape up here, and then I go downwards. I go upwards again and close the path to the left. Once more I hold Ctrl. The direct selection tool is activated. Temporarily I click to deselect it, and then I use the pen tool for the final, the 4th shape. That was one too much. I'll press Ctrl Z. We're done. Now let us get rid of the guides. We go to view, guides, and then clear guides. We've got our basic shape done. Let us get rid of the stroke. Just select it all and no stroke. Now it's gone. I'll press Ctrl Y to have the outline mode activated, and now I use different shades of blue, purple, that should be fine. But now it's a fill color and no stroke, so make sure you've got the right color swatch. I press Ctrl Y again, and this is what we now have. But let me change this color. The purple looks better. And this is it. You can also use a gradient. Just click on a gradient tool, open your gradient menu under Window, Gradient. And now I'll add a default, maybe a blue one. Let me use the sky default. And now you can adjust the gradient for each of these 4 shapes, like this. And this is how it looks with the gradient. I personally liked it like it was before, so I press Ctrl Z until I've arrived at this version. You can now group it, right click group, resize it holding Shift and Alt. And this is the impossible square in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.